By default, when you first activate and install your WordPress site, the blog page is set to the home page. So when you go to your main homepage of your site, you'll see your blog posts. Usually it'll list 10 blog posts by default, but you can actually change this number in the administration panel. Most of the time when you have a professional site, you're not going to want to necessarily have the blog page be your home page. In fact, you'll probably want to have a different home page, which you'll create under the Pages tab here, maybe call the page Home, and have that be the first page that appears to the people who come to visit your site, while the blog page might go under a page called Blog. However, WordPress out of the box isn't created this way. Back in the day when it was first kind of becoming popular, WordPress was really thought of as blogging software primarily. In the past few years, however, it's turned into a very powerful content management system that goes way, way beyond just a simple blog. However, the way it's engineered, it still gets treated sort of as a blog being the main feature of the site, so it defaults to the home page. To change this, all you have to do is go to the Settings tab down here, hover over it, click the Reading tab. Now what you'll see here is by default it says Front Page displays your latest posts. And what you're going to want to do when you make this change is click this second button down here which says a static page. Now before you do this, you're actually going to want to create two pages under the Pages menu. One is going to be called Blog and one is going to be called Home. And if you don't know how to create pages, you may want to check out that tutorial which appears earlier on this page. So once you've created those two pages, you're going to want to, from the drop-down menu, select the page that you want to appear as your home page. This is the company's site. The way that our site is actually engineered is a specific theme which doesn't require us to fill out this section here. But with your site, you're going to want to actually select Home for your home page. And for your post page, you want to select the blog page. Once you click the Save Changes button, what's going to happen is if you go to our site, the company's site here, when you click Blog, your blog page will default to appearing on the page you set as your blog. So in our case, it's the blog page. The home page will be a separate standalone page. And once again, this theme is a little bit more complex, so this isn't the best example to show what it's going to look like. But whatever you set as your home page, when you go to the default basic URL, is going to be where your homepage content is, and that's what's going to appear down here on your homepage, whereas your blog page will be moved. So again, to remember, you want to go to the Reading Settings page, click on the front page what the page you want to set as your home page, and the post page what you want to set as your blog page.